Hello, my name is Marcello with 3S Shooting Sports Software. Today I'm going to show you how to set up discounted targets for special categories. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into the Setup menu, number 5, Special Classes. Now for all of our categories that have discounted targets, we are going to set target fee to Y, and then we're going to input a target fee. So in this case, I'm just going to charge $1 for the target fee if you are a junior or sub-junior. Alright, so now that we have that set up, we're going to go ahead and click Close. And now we're going to go into the tournament setup. Now, here on the right-hand side, just below your yardage groups, we have the option to choose how the discounted targets apply. So we can select whether they want to be charged per event or whole shoot. Per event means that if that shooter plays a option in that event, then they are charged full price targets only for that event. Whereas whole shoot will charge them full price targets across the entire shoot if they play one option in one event. So for my setup today, I want to leave this set to whole shoot. So now that we have that set up, I'm going to go ahead and click OK and reopen 3S. So now what we're going to need to do is classify and squad a shooter. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to pull up my father. And when we're classifying this shooter, we can see that we have this option next to their category, discounted targets. We can either select yes or no. If you select yes, it's going to lock them out from being able to play any options. If you select no, then they can play options. And this goes away if we select a class that does not have special categories or discounted targets. So for example, if we set it to Lady 2, there's no target. If we just go back to Junior, discounted targets exist. And that's according to our setup in the special classes. So I'm going to go ahead and say no for discounted targets, so that way we can allow this shooter to enter into options. So I'm going to click Done. We're going to confirm the classification, and because I have my printer set to just the PDF driver, I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel, and now we can go ahead and hit close. Next we're going to go to squatting and squad that shooter real quick. Because I am running the programs through network share, so that way you can access my beta files, things are going to be a little bit slower. Alright, so let's go ahead and just throw him into a couple of events. Alright, so I have him squatted for the first day's events. So I'm going to hit Done, Close, and then come to Enter. I want to cashier the shooter just like normal. So we're going to select Pay for all of these events. And because I set the target fee to $1, we can see that he is being charged for the daily fee and the target fee on the first day, and then just the target fee on the second event and third events. But if we put him into single option, he's charged full price targets across all 3 of these events, because in our tournament setup we selected discounted targets applies to the entire tournament. Great. So now that we have him inside of an event, his total is $9, we can go ahead and hit close, yes, and just finish cashiering the shooter like normal. So let's say that you want it where a shooter who comes up to classification and says, no, I want to be charged full price targets, pays full price targets regardless of whether they play an option or not. So what you can do is underneath the tournament setup screen, underneath the discounted targets apply to, we can select this classification sets target fee discount. So if we go ahead and check that and pull up that same shooter in cashiering, we can see that now he is charged full price targets even though that he's not playing any options. Now, let's say that there was a mistake at classification and a shooter wants to pay for full price targets, or wants discounted targets, but they are currently set to pay for just discounted targets, or the other way around. So like in this case, we're paying for full price targets, but we want discounted targets. What we do is we come into Master Edit, pull up that shooter, and we select discounted targets right here. Then we hit done, and now if we come back into cashiering and pull up that shooter again, we can see that he's flagged as discounted targets, and we can't select any options. Also, we have a refund of $105 for the original target fee being discounted back down to the discounted rate. And that's how you do discounted targets in Shoot Pro 116. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@shootingsportsoftware.com or call us at 1-801-396-7800. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see when we post new content, hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to receive notifications on when we post new videos, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.